Y'all got a cold generation, man. Because in my generation, when we was coming up, it seemed like music was an off, times out, out of bounds. We ain't tripping. But it seemed like as time has gone by, the streets and the music scene have got so much closer to where the niggas in the streets is the niggas that's on the mic too.
But I just feel like I ain't got nothing to say on the song with you.
So what if a producer like me said I want to do a Long Beach anthem? I wanted to do it with my artist Bruce Smurf.
Snoop be on that.
And it just ain't that easy, huh?
He tried it before with like Long Beach City Movement. That nigga Munchie B said I was on that shit, but I wasn't. I was in jail. But they used one of my songs and that motherfucker when I was in jail. You feel me? So my name probably popped up, but
I didn't catch your name from back then.
That's what I'm saying. I was in jail. That nigga came and grabbed niggas from every side of the city and yeah, so.
But I remember when that took place, the little politicking that was going on that led up to it and all that. Then, how did that just die out? Was it just a one shot thing, or was?
I just feel like Snoop is he's outside of the hood but from the hood. You feel me? So he don't know what's really going on every day. You feel me? Niggas don't give a fuck about really like peace treating because niggas like hurt. Niggas hearts hurt. Cause from like, you know what I'm saying? Not even long ago shit. One of my homies just got shot in the face. You feel me? Before I came out here, I tried to get away from the hood and do my music in my little clothes. I moved to Houston and shit, but I came back cause this home, fool. Like, you feel me? It's different as fuck, and I can't just sit here and start my whole life over in a whole different vicinity when it's nothing like how I grew up, none. You know what I'm saying?
One of my questions on my list to ask you, what was the biggest difference that you found in Texas and being
I feel like in Texas, well, in Houston, black people fuck with each other, you feel me? Like, niggas, you hear about all the guns and shit because it's gun laws. Like, I done got pulled over with a gun showing, and the police didn't ask me about no gun or nothing. They looked at it, they didn't care, but I liked it the fact that I could go outside. Nigga, I even bought me some slides, like, you know what I'm saying? I could go outside and be around like 1,000 black people and ain't nobody even tripping. Like, you feel me? Niggas.
So why would you prefer home over that?
Because like I gangbang. So the niggas that meet me, they like the fact that I gangbang, and it's usually the gangbangs that I'll be meeting. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's just the gangbanging is different.
So you still get drawn into that element even when you out.
Regardless. Yeah. Like I went out there to like try to do something new because I was fucking up right before I left. You feel me? Bad. Hospital, all type of shit. I left. Nigga, we got a hood in Houston. Now I'm just so like them the first niggas I was getting involved with. So like, and then I started meeting the rappers and shit because that's what I do, and I sell clothes and shit. So I was just meeting niggas with the rapping and the clothing. But like by being from 20s, nigga, I'm over here with, you know what I'm saying? I fuck with the 20s out there. Yeah.
Speaking of clothing, I saw Adam 22 rocking your brand. Your brand is named after you, Trifling wear, right?
Yeah, Trifling clothing.
How did you pull that off? Why was he on there? And I tried to send him the clip. I'm like, this my homie people's, my nigga. We trying to get up in there. Like, well, why? He didn't really respond. Was he knowing he was wearing your clothing, or somebody else pulled that off for you?
No, I mailed it to him.
That was hard.
Adam, like when he first heard about me or whatever, he hit me up in my DM, was like, keep doing your shit, like, you feel me? And I was like, good looking and shit. And since then, he just been paying attention to my Instagram and shit. But one day I just hit him up like, shit, nigga, let me send you a sweater. It was like, he sent me the P.O. box, nigga, and he put that shit on. And it's crazy because he put that shit on when he was interviewing X4. And X4 at that Dead Homies on. Dead Homies, Thirsty P, that's my nigga. Like, he be giving me all the advice and tips. And
is that
you know
right?
what I'm saying? Dead Homies is like one of my favorite street brands. You can catch me in Dead Homies more than, nigga, some fucking Celine or anything. Like,
so basically, when I was trying to put Adam up on what was going on, he basically ignored me. He was like, I already know, fucker. Like, that's what he was. Okay. Say less. Shout out to Adam.
Okay. Yeah.
So I may have missed it. Have you actually been interviewed at No Jumper?
Nah, he just a couple like he caught on to him because like a couple of my homies had put some of my music. He be doing that live shit, He be playing niggas songs. And when they play Crazy in the Hood, that nigga caught on. He liked it Crazy in the Hood, like you said. Like, you feel me? So
have you been known that's like one of your ones?
That's my biggest song.
Yeah, that'll do it. Yeah, that's one of the ones. But I've noticed that is, you know, as much as I love Crazy in the Hood and how straight in your face that record is, you got a lot of range and depth when it comes to being an artist, bro. You being so banged out, not that you extra banged out, but just being so authentic to who you are as a rider, a rip rider. People would miss that off top if they don't really look deep. I was so shocked. Only comparison I can make it to is Kendrick, because you do the voicing fluctuations, you got metaphors, you got shit that's deep, bro. Where do you find that range? What have you experienced?
I don't know, cuz they say Scorpios be overthinkers and shit.
Okay.
I feel like I've been through too much, cuz. Like, I've been, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been, like, feeling like, I done feel like I was, like, going against God before, because I feel like niggas going through so much. Nigga, I done slept on concrete. You feel me? Like, I done slept on my mama's porch, and then she, knowing she finna get off work, you know what I'm saying? I love my mama to death. I don't give a fuck about the past, but, like, the truth is the truth. I done slept on the porch, and she done stepped over me. I'm thinking she finna let me in, nigga, and she walked in the house and locked the door. Like, nigga, I was outside for real, starving and shit, feeling like African and shit. Like, you know what I'm saying? That shit they be showing them African niggas, they was showing, like, oh, you could pay. They used to call me that.
$50.
They used to call me that.
Damn.
What they call, what was that shit, the little commercial?
Did a little Save America.
Exactly.
Yeah, African shit.
On the dead homies. They like this little skinny nigga out there.
Now, I'm seeing your complexion. Now you say that. I'm taking my mind back some years. I can see, like, that's fucked up. You did that to me.
I was way smaller, too.
I can imagine. That's crazy.
Fuck.